Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. And remember, all you need is a rusty nail, a tiny bit of wood, and a buttload of time, and you can make this too. Oh boy. Obviously, I didn't talk in this one. That was on purpose. I just didn't really feel like talking, and that's okay. But you know what? I do feel like talking now about my sponsor today, ExpressVPN. It stands for Virtual Private Network, and everyone should be using them when you're surfing on your phone, when you're on your home computer, when you're out in public. It's the best way to protect yourself while you're online, because if you're not encrypted, when you send something over the internet, it's like a postcard so that anybody can read it. And ExpressVPN acts sort of like the envelope that covers it from all prying eyes. Even if it is encrypted, your internet service provider can see what you're doing. They can also legally sell that information to third parties.
But Bobby, I'm not doing anything illegal.
It doesn't matter. You wouldn't sit there with your blinds open while people stared in through the window at you while you're in your own house. So why do you not care that you're being watched all the time while you're online? I gotta admit, they are the fastest. Cruising online with them running in the background, I basically cannot tell that it's running. It's super simple to use also. You literally click the app, then you click a button, and you're connected. Like, that's it. ExpressVPN gives you unrestricted access to every part of the internet. You ever been like trying to watch a video or stream a service, something, and it has said restricted in your country? Well, you can just change your country. And pro tip, it also works for Netflix. So start protecting yourself online and stop letting people snoop in on what you're doing. And find out how you can get 3 free months of ExpressVPN by clicking the link down in the description or go to expressvpn.com/Bobby Duke. I promise next video I will talk. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and like that smash button, subscribe, and go ahead and give me a follow on Twitter because I'm very active there. It's a great way for me to connect with you guys in real time. Just do it. Do it at Bobby Duke Arts. Okay, love back.